Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create free mockup in Canva, free template mockup in Canva. So first of all, go into our canva.com, then you want to go to customize size, okay? So you can select whatever size you want. I'm going to go with 500, okay? All right. So now all we need to do is get a Tumblr mockup. You can get a Tumblr mockup anywhere, but I'm going to show you a way to get a Tumblr mockup easily. So you want to go to Google and you want to search for raw pixel. Okay. So the first option. All right. So on this website, you need to sign up to be able to use this mockup, because I already have an account. I'm just gonna log in. All right, so once they bring this, all you want to do is just click on skip for now. You can do this, or we can let's skip. So we're in. So what we'll do is just in this search element, you want to search for Tumblr mockup. So as you can see, we have multiple options right here. Okay, so but the ones with the crown is not free, it's a paid option. So we're gonna find the one without the crown that says free. All right. Okay, so this one looks good, so I'm gonna download this. Okay, and you click on download. You have to make sure it's in PNG format. Okay, now back to Canva. So we want to upload our mockup, fit it to the screen as much as you want. Okay, so now once we've done this, we're gonna have to upload our image, the mockup we already use. So all you have to do is just fit it to the make sure it covers the mockup of the cup. All right, so then after doing that, just right click and then send to the back. As you can see, it makes so much sense. Our mockup has been used. So if you get something from this video, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe.